Hey guys, what's up? I am back again and it's time to unbox the Huawei Y9A, and this is a new mid-range phone from Huawei Y9A. It is finally here in the Pakistan market as well. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the Huawei Y9A and let's see what is Huawei has to offer in this phone. And this phone is costing around 44,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and on the back we get a 64 megapixel AI quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So this phone, it is a really interesting phone in this price range, and also we have a 40-watt Huawei supercharge on this phone. So and now let's quickly unbox the Huawei Y9A, and now let's quickly remove the plastic first. And guys, on the back we get this 1-year warranty card as well as this sticker, and we get a 1-year warranty card as well. And again, this phone does not give you any Google Play services right out the box. And removing the plastic like this, and on the back we got one more seal. And now let's quickly open this box. Guys, here is the Huawei Y9A, and guys, also the color I have is this space silver color, which is my favorite in this phone. I don't like pink color. That is also available with the Huawei Y9A. And you can see Huawei Y9A. Now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, we got this one more mini box which contain a SIM ejection tool, and you can see. And also we have a quick start guide, and you can see. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Huawei Y9A, transparent silicone case. And guys, also we got this big adapter which is same as the Huawei Nova 7i. And you can see we have a 10 volt with a 4 ampere. It is a 40-watt fast charging. And guys, also this phone give you a 4200 mAh battery capacity. And also we get a USB Type-C cable. And also we get the headphones with the Huawei Y9A, and you can see with the headphone jack as well. So now let's put everything back inside the box, and let's see how is the Huawei Y9A looks like from the back. And guys, also we have a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. I don't know why Huawei is using the MediaTek Helio G80 this time, because in the Huawei Nova 7i we get a Huawei Kirin A10 chipset, which is one of the best chipset in this price range. And you can see here is the Huawei Y9A, and you can see this is a space silver color, and you can see it looks very beautiful. And guys, on the back we got a quad cameras on the back in the circular shape. And guys, I have to say the back, it is made up of plastic, as well as the side of this phone, and the design language, it is very similar to the Huawei Mate 30 series. These are the main highlighting feature about the Huawei Y9A. On this phone, it is a 6.63 inch Huawei Ultra Full View display. We don't have any notch or any hole on the front because this phone gave you a pop-up selfie camera. So now let's quickly remove that and give you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we got a speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port, as well as a SIM tray. And guys, this is a hybrid SIM slot. You cannot expand the storage with dual SIMs at the same time, and you can see. And also we have a Huawei nano memory card, which is very difficult to buy here. And guys, also we have on the left hand side we get nothing, and on the right we have a volume up and volume down rocker, a side mounted fingerprint scanner slash switch on a button. And on the front we get a 6.6 inch full HD IPS LCD display. And also we have a pop-up selfie camera on the top with a headphone jack as well, you can see. And also we have a noise cancellation microphone. And overall, I have to say that this phone feels really light, I have to say, because the back, it is made up of plastic as well as this side. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Huawei Y9A, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone, as you can see. So now let's go to the settings and go to about phone. Let's see what is Android version we have, and you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10. And guys, also we have a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, which is same as the Realme 6i, which is much cheaper phone than the Huawei Y9A. And also we have a 128 GB of internal storage out of 113 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go back, and now let's go to the display and the brightness area, and you can see. And also we have a auto brightness feature on this phone. And now let's see the camera. And guys, this phone give you a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 64 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel for macro lens. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Huawei Y9A, and you can see here is your normal and here is your ultra wide, and you can see, and the ultra wide is really overexposed, I have to say. And guys, also we have a aperture mode on this phone, and you can see which give you a background blur. And let's go to the mode section, and we also have a super macro mode on this phone which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. And you can see you can take very close-up shots in good lighting condition. You can take very close-up shot. And guys, in the mode section we also have a HDR as well as high resolution mode which give you a full 64 megapixel shot, in which you get a lot of detail in the photo. And the back camera only shoot full HD with 30 fps, and you can see. And guys, here is the front camera. Now let's see. And you can see in the front camera it is a pop-up selfie camera, because I like the punch hole over the pop-up selfie camera. And the front camera also gave you a full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And guys, we don't have any aperture mode with the front camera, and you can see we don't have any background blur feature, and you can see I don't see any portrait mode with the front camera. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the Huawei Y9A, this phone give you at least 1 day of battery life without any problem. And also we have a 40-watt super fast charging with the Huawei Y9A, which is a really helpful feature in some situation. And also the back cameras, it is really good on this phone, much better than the Huawei Nova 7i, which give you a 48 megapixel main sensor. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this my unboxing and my first impression regarding the Huawei Y9A. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.